benialtifulls, welcome to another video. In this video I am going to unbox some things. I have a little package over here and a big package over here, and I'm really excited for this one. This one is from Ali, and this one is from a special something that I will tell you when we are going to unbox this one. But first we are going to do the AliExpress one to make sure that the video isn't too long. I already opened the package. Also, I had to look what it was exactly. So this is just a little something, and it's some foil pieces. So I finally have some silver foil pieces, because they are little pieces. They are already already little pieces, and some gold blackish ones. There is a slight problem, because I just ordered one of these, not two. I ordered a gold one as well, but I don't mind, because I had a gold one. I still had one, so I didn't mind that much. So just a little something, some foils, and they will stick everywhere. So that's one. And the next one is the big one, and I also already opened this one to exactly see what it was, and I was so excited. So I've been a little bit naughty, so I already looked, or peeked, no, looked. So yeah, just open what would be. Package is from Aleana. Sorry if I'm not saying correctly, but Aleana practice hand. And I already have a practice hand, this one, and yeah, so this one isn't very pretty for photographs or something, but this is a really pretty one. And with the hand I also bought some tips for in the hand, and some just for fun very long stilettos. So let's open this. And yes, I already ripped the plastic. Look, oh my gosh. It says please wash your black bag, so this one, before you storing your practice hand in it. So I am going to wash this, so bye. Yeah, so I already ripped this a little bit. My boyfriend and I were very curious how this would feel, so we already felt a little bit, so that's why it's already a little bit open. So normally these hands are very expensive. Here's just a little sticker, but this one wasn't, because I bought it in a sale. So it's a silicone realistic practice hand, and like you can see, it's really real. Yeah, so I have a half of a hand. You also have a whole hand, so then you also get a thumb, but I didn't want to get a whole hand because yeah, I thought this would be enough. Yeah, I will also link everything from Aleana-hand or hand in my comments, not in my comments, in my I will link them down below. So this hand already comes with the tips in the fingers, and you can just gently, very gently, little bit of force, get the nails out of the hand by pulling. And this is a good sign because it sticks a little bit to the I can't get it out. Oh. Yes, so this is how the tip looks. Just a normal tip, or not a normal tip. And this is how the finger looks without the tip, and you can see there is some room to insert your tips in. And on the, I don't know if you can see that. Anyways, yeah, so you can just gently put the tip in. You also have just a finger, and you can also buy them posable, so there will be wiring in the hand, so you can pose them. You can see doesn't have that one. So yeah, the hand and the tips. So the tips come in multiple sizes. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and go on and go on. And the highest number, and that's in this case 11, is the smallest nail. So you can see the difference. I don't know yet which size goes in which finger. I think you can yeah, just look for it yourself or see for yourself, because from my opinion, the one that's in the middle finger, the nail looks a little bit too big, and the one on the pinky looks a little bit too small because of this little thing over here. So but you can just put on tips, you can do nail art on these, but these hands are very expensive. Like I said, I bought this one in sale for, I think it was 50 or 60% off, so that's a lot. Yeah, so if you are a newbie, and more newbie than that I am right now, because I have practiced a lot on my other hand. But if you are just beginning, please don't buy this hand and buy the other one. So this one, because you can see when I started, I damaged this whole thing. And this one is less expensive. This one costs you, I think, 30 euros. Yeah, something like that. And the tips you can buy on almost every nail store and also on Ali if you wish. I think you can buy also these kinds of nails on Ali, but I don't know yet. But it's really a shame if you are ruining this hand because you are just starting. So please just only buy this one when you are ready. Or you are more confident of yourself not to destroy it. Or like me, if you see that there is a really good opportunity to buy one, because it's 50 or 60% off. So yeah, that's just all of the video, I think, because I got the hand. Oh, I will show you. I'll show you these. Look how big they are. Here, this one is too big, but just, oh my gosh, it's longer than my middle finger. Yeah, so you can also put this in your hand and then make some nail art, but yeah, it looks kind of fun, so maybe in the future I will do a set with these. So yeah, this is the video. So like I said before, I will link everything from Aleana-hand hands in the description box down below, and I will also try to link the AliExpress foils in the description box down below. If you like this video, I know it was a little short one and not that much, but nonetheless, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below. Oh, let me know in the comments down below if you like the voiceovers more than the in real time, like I'm doing now, audios. Yeah, so again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.